Welcome to our motivational video. Embrace the day with enthusiasm. Get ready to kickstart your day with a positive mindset and an unstoppable spirit. Every morning is a fresh opportunity, a gift to create wonders. Life is full of challenges, but don't let them defeat you. Have clear goals and pursue your dreams with unwavering determination. Keep your body healthy and your mind positive, for it all starts from within. No act of kindness, no matter how small, is ever wasted. It has the power to change the world. Don't be afraid of failure, for it is from failure that we learn and grow. Every accomplishment is a reason to celebrate. Be proud of yourself. Now, as we transition into the final scene, remember to carry this enthusiasm with you throughout the day. Remember, life is a beautiful adventure. Be a light in the darkness and let every day be an opportunity to shine. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you for watching.